Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am Ryan J. McCrary from the McCrary Financial School and OurBlackApparel.com. Hope everyone's doing well today. I'm doing very well today. Today, I just wanted to talk about stocks and, in particularly, Shopify stock. I know it's been a few weeks or so since we've had a discussion, directly related to stocks and stock market, buying stocks, how different stocks are doing. So I thought this would be a great time to, go back to that, talk about some things I've been seeing in the stock market, talk about some stocks that I've been watching and seeing them go up, and just how you can possibly be a part of it. But before I even go into that, I just want to say a disclaimer that I always have to say. Number one, I do not give stock advice. I will repeat that. I do not give stock advice or recommendations, anything of that sort. So please, 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 please do not contact me, email, message, anything. Do not contact me saying, what stock should I pick? Is this a good stock to pick? Please do not do that. I am not in the position to say, how I think a stock will perform, any recommendations, if I think this is a good pick or not. I am not in the position to do that. What I do is just share information that I've learned over the years, maybe what I do, but I do not give any stock recommendations. I'm not in the position to, nor do I want to be. So I just want to say that from the beginning, I do not give stock advice. I will not tell you specifically what to pick. If I think this is a good fit for you or not, do not ask me for stock advice. I do not give recommendations. I do not give advice. With that being said, I have been taking a look at Shopify lately. So Shopify, if you're not familiar with Shopify as a company, is it an online company? Is it an e-commerce company that allows you to just have your e-commerce store set up through Shopify? So like my online store, OurBlackApparel.com, is run through Shopify. So Shopify gives you the e-commerce platform to sell any type of products you want to sell online direct to consumer. So a t-shirt or a hoodie or a mug, or you may have a women's line of clothes, of lip gloss. People sell so many different things, hair care products and smell goods and homemade butter and lotions and stuff like that. People sell a lot of these products through Shopify. And then Shopify, the stock, has just been doing amazing ever since I've held it. I've only had it for maybe about 6 months or so, but it just seems to keep going up. So you see today it's currently trading at $120.65. Let's just look over the last maybe 3 year, 5 years. So just over the last year, just the last 12 months, you see how it's performed. So it's at 120. If you would have bought it a year ago from today, you would have paid $41.77. $41.77. So in 12 months, the share price has tripled. Not doubled, but tripled. So I know a lot of people are going to watch this. You probably spent $40 this week or this day or this month on something stupid. Whether it was consumer items, trying to look good, the newest sneaks, going out to eat, the movies, wherever. I know you spent $40 on something that has not had value, something that does not appreciate. But if you would have spent $40 or maybe $8 or 120, 160, 200 and bought 3, 4, 5 shares of stock, that would have appreciated. So that is a very, very key element to investing, wealth building, and having the financially literate mindset. You need to be buying things that will appreciate in value. There's nothing wrong with spending money on consumer items and having fun, entertainment, going out. Absolutely, there's nothing wrong with that. You want to live, you want to have fun, you want to enjoy yourself. Absolutely. But all of your money or most of your money should not just be going to those items. You should also, with that same amount of money, be going into items that will appreciate: shares of stock, mutual funds, bonds, ETFs, real estate, gold, Bitcoin, business. You need to be putting your money into things that will appreciate. So in this example, you see just over the last 12 months, the price of Shopify has tripled. The price has tripled, and Shopify, a lot of people never even heard of Shopify. I talk to people all the time, and they still have never heard of Shopify. Shopify is still not even considered, quote unquote, mainstream yet. So the stock price could continue to go up. Now, I'm not in a position to give predictions. No analyst on Wall Street, I don't care what degree they have, what experience they have, what license they have. No one can predict how the stock market would perform. So I'm not saying if you buy it now, it's going to go to 200 or 1,000. It might, but I'm not in a position to say, and I don't know. No one knows specifically, but I do know it keeps going up. So just over the last 3 months, just 3 months alone, it was at 85 bucks. So that's what, $35 for the share price and went up in just 3 short months. You know, some people are happy for $1 or two, or it went up $10 in the last couple months. And this has already went up for 35 bucks in the last just 3 months. Look at 5 years. If you would have bought it, I don't even think it's been trading for 5 years. But if you would have bought it about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, you would have got it for $28.31. So you see the trend. I actually did a video not too long ago about Shopify saying, I think I bought Shopify maybe at 50 or 60. And then after a month, it went to like 80, 85, 90. I did a video after like a month or two. I said, whoa, if you're not looking at Shopify, this is something you may want to consider looking at, because I just bought a few months ago and it's already going up. Now, this is like 3, 4, 5 months later. Since then, it's still continuing to go up. It's still continuing to go up. So I just thought it would be a great topic to discuss. I know the weekend's coming up, so you're probably going to spend $120 on something that will bring no value to your life, that will not put you in a better position economically or financially. So instead of going to the club this weekend, instead of going out to the restaurant downtown this weekend, instead of going to the mall this weekend, maybe you may want to consider purchasing a share of Shopify. You may want to consider it. I'm just throwing it out there. Again, a lot of people get confused on, well, I want to buy. Let's say I got the money. I want to buy Shopify or another stock, but I don't know how. The first thing you need to do is open a brokerage account. Open a brokerage account. I think even Acorn, the app, not Acorns, Robinhood. I use Acorns. They invest in mutual funds, but I don't use Robinhood. But a lot of people tell me about Robinhood. I've heard that Robinhood lets you go in and actually purchase individual stocks just through an app. So you may be able to get Shopify through the app Robinhood. I know you definitely can get it through a brokerage account, through like a TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, Schwab, or any other type of brokerage house. I'm not recommending one or the other. I'm not endorsing one or the other. I'm just saying if you want to get in the game, you need to go to one of these platforms and open an account. Most of them, I know TD Ameritrade, for instance, you could probably just put 120 or 130, 40 in and just purchase that stock if you just want that stock or another one. You don't have to put thousands of dollars in there. If you get confused on opening a brokerage account, whatever company you want to go to, E-Trade, Scottrade, whatever, they have a number there. You can call them, have them walk you through the process. The application process is about 10, 15 minutes at the most, but some of the terminology and language people may not be familiar with, so give them a call. That is what those reps get paid for every day, for you to call them and bug them and have them walk you through the process so you can open a brokerage account, what links to your bank account, and that gives you the ability to purchase stocks. So it's very easy. You can purchase a stock in 5 minutes. If you can check your Facebook, if you can check your Instagram, you can check your bank account. If you can do that, then you can buy a share of stock. It is very, very easy. So you may want to consider looking at Shopify. That's it for the day. Also, if you would like to purchase a financially literate t-shirt, still have financially literate t-shirt, just got a new bundle in stock. If you would like a financially literate t-shirt to support the movement, to wear some of the apparel, support the brand, just support a Black business in general, you can go to ourblackapparel.com. That's our, O-U-R, blackapparel.com, and get a financially literate t-shirt. Just got some new ones in stock. We will also be having hoodies soon if you would like to purchase that. Those will be available very soon. So that's ourblackapparel.com, ourblackapparel.com. And you can also go to the McCraryFinancialSchool.com, the McCraryFinancialSchool.com, if you want to sign up for free, get some free lectures, and look at the courses that I offer. So that's it for today. Everyone have a great day and have a great weekend.